Alright, I figured I'd do a short video here for you guys today. Kind of grasping at straws here because I'm the only one. I'm working in all 4 bays today. Everybody else is sick. I don't know if you can tell by the sound of me, I'm not feeling that great neither. But someone's got to be here and do it. This one's got a draw. We just replaced the battery. It did have an old battery, so I don't remember who did it in the shop, but you know, it had an old battery. It came in dead in the middle of the winter. Pretty common. That was not that long ago. I don't remember what day it was, but it doesn't matter. Right now, this is about a 5 amp draw. Leaving that like that. Obviously, I'm trying to charge the battery here. I have narrowed it down to this hood latch. Somehow saying that it's open when it's not open. So far, that's the only thing I found. The BCM is what's causing the draw. If you care, the BCM lives right here. That thing right there. I used my thermal imager, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you a picture of it. That thing was pretty freaking hot. I could see it through the plastics. Obviously 5 amps should be pretty easy to find, even in a warm shop. With the battery was stone dead coming in, so that's why I'm charging it. It already went through one jump pack and it went through my my PB draw. That's why I'm back on the old unit here. So now I'm just waiting for it to go back to sleep, even though a 5 amp seems an awful lot just for a hood switch, but it almost went to sleep already. I actually had at first I had a screwdriver jammed in here trying to keep the switch closed, because it's very hard to unplug this. It hits this plastic here, you have to undo stuff to wiggle it out. But that was inconclusive, so I wanted to go this route. We're already come down a little bit, and I guess I don't need to unplug that anymore. I was keeping it plugged in because I was locking and unlocking and using scan tools, and I didn't want to blow my 10 amp fuse here, even though on this meter I have soldered and wired. But you can see now we're down to half amp, which is pretty good. 460 milliamps. So hopefully this will come down all the way. I'm gonna stop now so I'm not rambling, and then I'll bring you guys back when she goes fully to sleep, hopefully. Alright, so I started working on another car, came back. I don't know how long it took. I don't have my PP draw on it to actually know how long it took. I don't really care about how long it took, because it's a pretty easy draw. It was a steady 5 amps, 4 to 5 amps, and I traced the source, and now it's gone fully to sleep to 8 milliamps, which is fantastic. There is nothing unplugged. This isn't even unplugged technically. It's actually plugged in, if you will, you know. So there's that. I do not understand why pulling this doesn't set the alarm off, though. So I'm not going to, because I don't want to hear the horn, but just curious about that. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.